Welcome back to Learn Skill Daily. We all want to look and feel our best, and today we're diving deep into the world of anti-aging. We're not talking about chasing unrealistic beauty standards, but rather embracing a holistic approach to aging gracefully. Throughout this video, we'll be discussing practical strategies that encompass skincare, nutrition, exercise, and overall well-being. Remember, aging is a natural and beautiful process, and these tips are meant to empower you to make informed choices for your health and happiness. Let's start with the foundation of any good anti-aging routine: skincare. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily. Consider mineral sunscreens like Eltam D UV Clear and recommendation. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch. Sunscreen SPF 100. Practical example. Apply sunscreen every morning as the final step in your skincare routine, even on cloudy days or when indoors, as UV rays can penetrate windows. Keep your skin hydrated to minimize wrinkles. Recommendation: CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Why? Formulated with essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, it helps restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier while providing long-lasting hydration. Retinoids reduce fine lines and age spots. Differin Gel, Adapalene 0.1%. Why? A topical retinoid that reduces fine lines and treats acne, promoting cell turnover and improving skin texture. Antioxidants like vitamin C protect from environmental damage. Like SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. This potent serum contains a synergistic combination of antioxidants that protect against environmental damage, brighten skin, and improve firmness. A healthy diet is essential for our well-being and aging. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as blueberries, spinach, and kale. Aim for at least one serving of colorful fruits and vegetables in each meal to ensure a wide range of antioxidants. Lean proteins aid collagen production. Balance your diet with essential vitamins like A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc for optimal skin health. Whole grains aid digestion and regulate blood sugar. Hydration maintains youthful skin. Staying hydrated helps maintain skin moisture and elasticity, preventing dryness and flakiness. Healthy fats benefit your skin. Omega-3 fatty acids support skin health and reduce inflammation. Add chia seeds to your morning smoothie or oatmeal, and enjoy salmon as part of your weekly meal plan. Regular physical activity is like a magic potion for our bodies and minds. It helps maintain a healthy weight, boosts mood, and enhances cognitive function. Exercise increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our cells. This circulation gives our skin a healthy glow and flushes out toxins. Exercise reduces stress, lowering cortisol levels that damage skin. Start with small goals, like a brisk walk or short bursts of activity. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Chapter 4. The Beauty Sleep, Restoring Your Body and Mind. We've all heard the term beauty sleep, but did you know that getting enough sleep is crucial for cell regeneration and collagen production? Recommendation: Snooze Light Sleep Mask. During deep sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, restoring and rejuvenating our cells. When we consistently skimp on sleep, our skin doesn't have enough time to repair itself, leading to dullness, dark circles, and an overall tired appearance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to fully recharge. To improve the quality of your sleep, try establishing a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to create an optimal sleep environment. A sleep mask, like the Snooze Light Sleep Mask, can be helpful in blocking out any unwanted light. Avoid consuming caffeine or alcohol before bed, as these substances can interfere with your sleep cycle. Remember, prioritizing sleep is an investment in your overall health and appearance. Chapter 5. Stress Less, Age Less. Managing Stress for a Youthful You. Recommendation: Headspace app. Chronic stress takes a toll not only on our mental health but also on our physical appearance. When we're constantly stressed, our bodies release cortisol, which can lead to a whole cascade of negative effects on our skin. Cortisol can break down collagen and elastin, the proteins that give our skin its elasticity and firmness, resulting in wrinkles and sagging. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential for both our mental and physical well-being. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing exercises have been shown to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. The Headspace app is a great resource for guided meditations and mindfulness techniques. Engaging in activities you enjoy, such as spending time in nature, listening to music, or pursuing hobbies, can also help to alleviate stress and improve your overall mood. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health when it comes to aging gracefully. Chapter 6. Supplementing your way to youthful skin. While a healthy diet is the foundation for good health, certain supplements can provide additional support for our skin as we age. Recommendation: vital proteins, collagen peptides. Collagen, the most abundant protein in our bodies, plays a crucial role in maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Collagen supplements have gained popularity as a way to replenish these diminishing levels. Hyaluronic acid is another powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture in our skin. Recommendation: Now Foods. Hyaluronic acid. It acts like a sponge, holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water, keeping our skin plump and hydrated. Hyaluronic acid supplements can help to improve skin hydration, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and promote a more youthful complexion. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and vitamin E play a crucial role in protecting our skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals. Recommendation: Garden of Life Vitamin C. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, leading to premature aging. Antioxidant supplements can help to neutralize these free radicals, protecting our skin from oxidative stress. Remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Before continue, please subscribe to Learn Skill Daily for more facts. Chapter 7. Lifestyle Choices for Timeless Beauty. Our lifestyle choices have a significant impact on our overall health and how we age. Smoking, for instance, is one of the worst things you can do to your skin. Cigarette smoke contains thousands of harmful chemicals that damage collagen and elastin, leading to premature wrinkles, sagging skin, and an uneven skin tone. Recommendation: Nicorette gum or patch. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health and your appearance. Excessive alcohol consumption can also take a toll on our skin. Alcohol dehydrates our bodies, including our skin, making fine lines and wrinkles more prominent. It can also interfere with our sleep, which is essential for skin repair and regeneration. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Making healthy lifestyle choices such as quitting smoking, reducing alcohol intake, and managing stress can have a profound impact on your overall health and appearance. Chapter 8. Turning back the clock with medical treatments. For those seeking more targeted anti-aging solutions, medical treatments offer a range of options to address specific concerns. Chemical peels are a popular choice for improving skin texture, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and evening out skin tone. During a chemical peel, a solution is applied to the skin, causing the top layers to exfoliate and peel away, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath. Recommendation: the ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. Injectable fillers such as hyaluronic acid fillers are another option for restoring volume and smoothing out wrinkles. These fillers are injected beneath the skin to plump up areas that have lost volume due to aging, such as the cheeks, lips, and under eye area. The results of injectable fillers are temporary, typically lasting several months to a year, depending on the type of filler used. It's crucial to consult with a qualified and experienced dermatologist or plastic surgeon to determine if these treatments are right for you. They can assess your individual needs and recommend the most appropriate course of action. Chapter 9. The Power of Positivity. Cultivating a Youthful Mindset. Believe it or not, our mindset and outlook on life can actually influence how we age. Studies have shown that people who have a positive outlook on life tend to live longer and healthier lives. Cultivating a positive mindset can have a ripple effect on our overall well-being, including our physical health and appearance. Engaging in mental exercises such as puzzles, brain games, and learning new skills can help to keep our minds sharp and agile as we age. These activities challenge our brains and help to create new neural connections, which is essential for maintaining cognitive function. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can also have a significant impact on your outlook on life. Social connections are crucial for our emotional well-being, And studies have shown that people with strong social ties tend to live longer and healthier lives. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to embrace a more positive and fulfilling life. Chapter 10. Prevention is key. The importance of regular health checkups. Prevention is always better than cure, and regular health checkups are an essential part of aging gracefully. Scheduling annual checkups with your primary care physician and dermatologist allows for early detection and treatment of any potential health concerns. Early detection is key when it comes to many health conditions, making treatment more effective. During these checkups, your doctor will monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and other important health markers. They can also screen for skin cancer and other skin conditions that may require attention. Be sure to discuss any changes in your skin or overall health with your healthcare provider. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and investing in preventive care is an investment in your future well-being. Outgrow Embrace Aging Gracefully. While aging is a natural process, a combination of these strategies can help you look and feel your best. Remember, true beauty radiates from within, and embracing a holistic approach to aging encompasses both our physical and mental well-being. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your routine, especially regarding skincare products, supplements, or medical treatments. Tailoring your approach based on individual skin types and conditions can enhance effectiveness and safety. Please subscribe to Learn Skill Daily for more facts, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Keep watching for more great content.